Global warming is causing more and more heat stress for many people at home, during sports, work and leisure activities. This results in exhaustion at high temperatures in summer and an increased physical stress. Heat reduces the ability to concentrate or work, and heat stress is a big danger for our health. Not only risk groups such as older people, pregnant women or children suffer from heat, but much more. Especially people with pre-existing conditions such as cardiovascular patients, people with respiratory problems as COPD, people with multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, vein problems or migraine react with an increase in symptoms or a worsening of their state of health. But even healthy people get in danger with temperatures of over 40 degrees. In heat waves of the past, over 30,000 people died worldwide. To solve this problem, the market of air conditioning systems has doubled since 2000, making it the fastest growing energy consumer in buildings. They were responsible for emissions of about 1 gigaton CO2 and over 8% of the world's total electricity consumption. Cooling systems increase the carbon footprint of the world. Together with their harmful refrigerants, this leads to more and more global warming and heat problems in the future. What can we do? An air conditioning system without any CO2 emissions, working indoors and outdoors. This is the vision of our company Performance International. We are a family company caring for climate with sustainable innovations. We have developed a textile cooling system and transform heat, climate-friendly, into cooling for more health, performance and well-being. Our company Performance International holds patents worldwide, received awards, and since the beginning of our development, we are the first climate-neutral textile company in the world.
We developed an innovative cooling system with a special fleece, a three-dimensional fleece, which can store water up to 10 times its weight. It can produce evaporative cooling simply by heat radiation. We use this, of course, to integrate it into clothing and cool people in a healthy way.
After excess, water has been squeezed out and dried. The liquid remains in the material and can only escape through evaporation. The clothes thus remain dry from the outside and cool with up to 660 watts for up to 10 hours. Our product addresses a fundamental problem predicted with climate change: heat. More heat means more air conditioning is used, which leads to more CO2 and heat. This vicious circle is to be broken with E.COOLINE. By eliminating air conditioning, more than 90% of CO2 can be saved.
Heat has many health aspects most people do not know. Not only sweat and perhaps a bad feeling. It also puts a lot of stress on the cardiovascular system. It has been found that heat has a negative effect also on fat metabolism or sugar metabolism, and it even increases our aggressivity. There are many new studies on this. Due to climate change, more and more people will have health problems in the future. The cooling system is still used in many different areas, from workers' clothing to sports and leisure apparel and for medical reasons. We help people worldwide suffering from heat stress in a climate-friendly way. We already have cooling blankets in our portfolio, but there are also prototypes of cooling curtains that are successfully being tested at the Volksbank in Ulm. But one can also imagine cooling an exterior facade with it. There are many possibilities, including cooling in cars, because electric cars lose up to 50% of range with air conditioning. If you cool the roof or the sides, and thus quite simply achieving a cooling sensation without an air conditioning.
Besides clothing, we do see potential in other areas as well. Our goal is to show how easy functional sustainability can be. At Performance, we trust in the UN Sustainable Development Goals, green electricity, upcycling of waste fibers, offsetting CO2 through social environmental projects. All this is part of our philosophy for a future with green and sustainable cooling.